Step 4 of the Search Campaign Builder is the addition of ad extensions for site links, callouts, structured snippets, and call extensions. To start with site links, click the plus button to create your first site link. A minimum of 4 site links is recommended. Headlines allow for a maximum of 25 characters including spaces, and 35 characters including spaces for description 1 and description 2. When you are ready, enter your site link text. To create additional site links, press the plus button. Alternatively, if you wish to duplicate and amend text on a site link, you can press the Copy to New Site Link button, and then edit. Once you have completed your site links, press Next, and continue to the callout extensions. Callouts are a way to highlight your business offerings. They can promote popular or unique aspects of your business, with a few words or a single phrase, and appear under your ads. Select All for your callouts to show on all devices, or select Mobile to show on mobile devices only. Google advises a maximum length of 12 to 15 characters for each callout. This gives your callouts the best chance of showing with your ads. When you are ready, enter your callout text. To create additional callouts, press the plus button. Alternatively, if you wish to duplicate and amend text on a callout, you can press the Copy to New Callout button, and then edit. A minimum of 4 is recommended. Once you have completed your callouts, press Next, and continue to structured snippets. Structured snippets show beneath your ad text in the form of a header and a list of values. They help people find out more about your products and services before clicking your ads. E.g., a destination's structured snippet would contain a list of locations. When you are ready, select the type of structured snippet required and enter the details. To create additional snippets, press the plus button. Alternatively, if you wish to duplicate and amend a structured snippet, you can press the Copy to New Snippet button, and then edit. Once you have completed your structured snippets, press Next, and continue to call extensions. Call extensions let you add phone numbers to your ads, which can significantly increase click-through rates. When you are ready, select your country, and then enter the phone number to display with your ads. Once you have added your call extensions, press Next and continue to locations.